Welcome to the spoken tutorial on categories in Moodle. In this tutorial, we will learn about course category, how to create categories and subcategories, how to perform actions on categories. To record this tutorial, I will be using Ubuntu Linux OS 16.04, Apache, MariaDB, and PHP obtained through XAMPP 5.6.30, Moodle 3.3, and Firefox web browser. You can use any web browser of your choice. However, Internet Explorer should be avoided as it causes some display inconsistencies. Learners of this tutorial should have Moodle 3.3 installed on their system. If not, please refer to the relevant Moodle tutorials on this website. Switch to the browser and open your Moodle homepage. Make sure that XAMPP service is running. Log in with your admin username and password details. We are now in the admin dashboard. On the left side, click on Site Administration. Click on the Courses tab and then Manage Courses and Categories. We will be directed to a page with the title Course and Category Management. Let us understand what a course category is. Course categories help to organize Moodle courses for the site users. The default category for a new Moodle site is Miscellaneous. Any new course will be assigned to this miscellaneous category by default. However, it will be difficult for teachers and students to find their courses. To make it easier to locate courses, they should be assigned in categories. Most institutions organize courses by campus or department. It is good to have descriptive names for better clarity. We will go ahead and organize our courses by departments. For example, our maths category will have all the math courses. Let us switch back to the Moodle site. First, we will understand the course and category management page layout. On the left, we have the navigation block. And on the right, we have the content region. The content region is divided into two columns. Left column shows the course categories. Right column shows all the courses under the selected category. By default, it is showing courses under Miscellaneous category. This view can be changed from the menu located at the right. Click on the down arrow to see the options. Now click on Course Categories. This changes the view to show only the course categories. Let us click on the arrow again and change the view to see only the courses. Click on Courses. Notice that a new drop-down box has appeared now. This is the category drop-down. Here, we can select the category for which we want to show the courses. Currently, it only has the Miscellaneous category. Let us change the view back to Course Categories and Courses. Now, we will click on Create New Category link to add a category. Click on the Parent Category drop-down box and select Top. Type Mathematics in the category name. Category ID number is an optional field. This is for admin users to identify the course with offline courses. If your college uses ID for categories, you can use that category ID here. This field is not visible to other Moodle users. For now, I will leave category ID as blank. In the description text box, I will type, all mathematics courses will be listed under this category. Then, click on Create Category button. We are now in the Course Categories and Courses view. Here, we can see two categories now, Miscellaneous and Mathematics. Let us organize these categories further. Let us have separate first year maths courses and second year maths courses. For this, we will create a subcategory called First Year Maths inside the Mathematics category. Click on Create New Category link at the top of the listed categories. Creation of the subcategory is same as that of a category. Don't select Top as a parent category. Instead, select the category under which this subcategory should belong. So here we will type First Year Maths in the category name. After that, we'll type a description and click on Create Category button. Notice that the categories on the left are listed in a tree format. A category which has subcategories has a toggle icon to expand and collapse it. Notice three icons on the right of the category. Hover over the icons to see what they are. The eye is for hiding the category. A hidden category will have the eye crossed to indicate the same. The arrow is for moving the category up or down. It also has a settings gear icon, which is a menu as shown by the down arrow. Click on the settings gear icon for miscellaneous category. It has options such as edit, create new subcategory, delete, etc. related to the category. Click elsewhere on the page to close this menu. Let me collapse the navigation menu on the left for better view. Next, click on the settings gear icon for mathematics category. Notice that there are 4 extra sub-menus here related to sorting of the subcategories. All categories that have subcategories will have these menu items. The number to the right of the gear icon indicates the number of courses in that category. There are sorting options below the list of categories. At the end is the option to change the parent category of a subcategory. To use this option, you have to check the checkbox next to the subcategory you want to move. Then select the new parent category and click on Move. We will not use this option right now. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we learnt about course category, how to create categories and subcategories, how to perform actions on categories. Here is an assignment for you. Add a new subcategory, second year maths, under mathematics. Delete the category miscellaneous. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The spoken tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NME-ICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the following link. This script has been contributed by Priyanka. And this is Nancy Workey along with the Spoken Tutorial team signing off. Thank you for joining.